We're incredibly excited about the new Silverado, the integration and what the engineers have done and how they've coupled everything together, from the responsiveness of the powertrain, the lightweighting. It feels small in your hand. It just feels like a great truck to drive, very nimble. It's the best driving truck we've ever had.
These upgraded small block engines in the next generation Silverado feature a unique technology that we refer to as dynamic fuel management. We have a history of active fuel management, which was able to transition from 4 cylinders to 8 cylinders, and we've taken that one step further by enabling the vehicle to run on any number of cylinders from 2 all the way up to 8. For the customer, it gives them the added benefit of improved efficiency, better fuel economy, and they're only going to use the number of cylinders that they need any time that they press on the throttle.
In the new Silverado, the 2.7-liter turbo replaces the 4.3-liter V6 as the base engine in the Silverado LT and RST versions. This engine delivers 22% more torque and is significantly lower in mass. The overall vehicle weight is reduced by 380 pounds from the current Silverado to the new Silverado with the 2.7 turbo. It also delivers significantly more torque and power compared to our competitors.